What's up, YouTube? You have Harvey Harv here again. And first I want to say thank you everyone who been jumping on the little breakdown. Showing love. Kudos. Woo! Alright, so I asked you guys if you needed help with anything, and I got a few comments and direct messages about the left hand twirl. So I'm gonna break that down real fast for you guys. Alright, so once again, there are so many breakdowns on left hand twirls, but it's not my left hand twirl. So real fast, as you can see, it's like this, right? Left hand twirl. Now, real quick, what you want to do is hold the stick as tight as possible and go in the circular motion like this, where the bead of the stick go under your forearm. Then you turn your wrist back over. We're gonna do that again. Boom. Now, when the stick gets under your forearm, you want to hold it with your middle finger and your ring finger, as demonstrated, right? And when it get hit, now the butt of the stick goes under the forearm, and you finish that rotation with your wrist, and it comes back around. So if it's here, you let it go. Now the butt goes under the forearm. Then you finish that motion with your wrist to come around. If you do it fast, it looks like this. Now, the main thing you have to pay attention to on the left twirl is not to put the stick so far back. Then you have to do this. And what happens there is now you popping your elbow to do the twirl. You're taking away the smoothness. As you can see, when I just do it with my fingertips, so that's what I'm saying. Don't put it so far back. If you hold it more right here, then that twirl will come a lot smoother, in opposed to it being so far back and you popping the elbow. Now, understandable, if your director or instructor say, hey, I want the elbow to be popped, then the elbow is popped. All right, that's what I'm saying. I just know with me, it looks better to my eyes when it's smooth. Everybody like things that smooth. But then also when you use the tip of your fingers, it's easier to go into other things like this. See, because it's right there at the tip, and I can just keep going around. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I just wanted to give you that quick left hand twirl breakdown. Like I said, I know there are many left hands breakdowns out there, but it still isn't my way. So enjoy, and thank you for watching.
All I do is eat, sleep,